The Siemens 6se6436-2ud34-5ea0 is a variable speed drive used in the 400-volt class of power with an output of 45 kilowatts. These Siemens Micromaster 436 motor controls are used in a wide variety of applications. This particular one is being used in an HVAC fan control system. These motor controls tend to fail in the main input power area and have burned boards. We cleaned up the damage, repaired the bad connection, and rebuilt all the subassemblies before we fully tested the unit on one of our motors as shown in the video. ERD has an extensive catalog of repair in the variable speed drive products, with over 1,000 brands and countless part numbers, and at the end, our final result is running on one of our many motors used for testing. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.